Hello everybody. Today I'm going to share you how to use the Google Meet. Google Meet is a features of Gmail, which is being upgraded from the Google Hangouts. So today we can organize a meeting, seminars, conference using the Google Meet. So it is a very useful tool for teaching learning. So I would like to recommend everyone to use this Google Meet because we can have a seminar, we can have an online meeting with students. So I would like to today demonstrate how to use this Google Meet. So let me take you directly to the Google Meet. Yeah, let's see. This is account that I have on the Gmail. My Gmail account is open, and now if you like to see some of the features on the Gmail account, on the left hand side, one of the new features quite recently added is the starting a meeting. If you start this meeting, then it will take you to the meeting hall where you are inviting the participants for the meeting, or you can invite your students for seminar or conference. So just I have got in. If you have the mail, you can start directly. You don't have to have any software now. So once you have opened this, then you can go to join meeting. Once you are ready, see, I have used my account. So if once you are ready, you can join now. Once you have done the join now, okay, you will get the link where you will invite your participants. So you can very well invite your participant using this link. So you can copy this link. Okay, I'm just highlighting and copying this mail and then sending via Gmail account. Okay, so that it can be directly opened by the participant and they can directly get into the meeting. Alright, once I have done this, then these some of the features that I like to highlight to you. The first one is the microphone, which is red in color just now, meaning it is not used. Just now whatever I have spoken cannot be heard by the other people. So in order to hear me, I have to click and keep it on so that people who are in the meeting can easily hear me. I'm talking about this is for the distance people who are at a far of distance. Any place, anywhere in the world can sit and listen and then share the screen. So just now I have kept my microphone on, which means whatever I speak, other can easily hear. Can also if this red one, just now see that video is red, so I can click it on and then my picture can come out here. So this is a video, right? You have to keep it. If you want to show your picture, you have to click this. Right now I have used another picture, so I cannot put it on. This red call button is just to move away from the meeting or close the meeting. Now this captions, next button is the turn on captions. If you keep it turn on captions on, then it will record all my voice into text. This is very interesting for the people who cannot hear properly and can be used for reading. So he or she can easily read if he cannot hear properly. Okay, so this caption is very important for some children, especially hearing disabilities. Alright, I'm keeping there. Now presentation now is the another tool which is very important. Whenever you like to do your presentation, especially the PowerPoint presentation, you wanted to show the video, any music, anything that you want to show from your screen to all the people participating in the meeting or in the class or the conference, then you can go to present now. Once you have clicked the present now, okay, once you have clicked the present now, you will be asked to do you like to do entire screen or window or Chrome. These are just a selection. Sometimes you like to show the part of your window, sometimes you like to show whole screen. So I choose whole screen. Okay, so now it will show me this. I can click this picture and then say share it, meaning I'm sharing to all the people to see my screen. Okay, now I can easily get into my folder and show them this whatever I have on the like that. I can go inside and show some PowerPoint or some activities. Okay, just now the people who are attending meeting are looking at me whatever I'm doing it, so they can see this all things on the screen. Okay, so this is how I'm sharing it. Now this is what the presentation teachers can do, and same thing is possible even from the student side. That would be discussed in the video where I have discussed about how the student use the Google Meet. Alright, now once more I'm back here. Now I have already said to you how to share the screen to other people. Now I'll stop sharing screen. Okay, I just stop sharing screen. Then I can take you to these three buttons which is indicated right now here. Sorry, I'm just something happened with this. Excel has made something. Okay, I'm just coming back. Now I will click these three buttons at the end and it will show me this. Okay, it will show me this. This is very important. These three buttons at the end is very important because it helps you to record all your meeting proceedings. It will help you to record all the meeting proceedings. So this one you can keep it click on and then you accept it. Then here the red button will appear as record. Okay, there's something gone wrong there. I'll just go here, then I just do it record, then I say okay. See there, this red button will appear here and it will begin recording. Okay, meantime I would also go for another features. Another feature is change the layout. Okay, see now is recording began. Okay, recording began. Whatever I am sharing here, whatever the people talking in the meeting would be recorded, and this would be stored in your Google Drive. Since we are using a Gmail account, it will be stored in the Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about the space, and it will remind you once it is being saved on your Google Drive, so it will be reminded by mail. If you don't want, you can just stop it and then say stop recording. Yeah, that will just okay, finished. The another features that we have here is the changing layout. Changing layout is just how you like to display the participant. You like to display in the tile form, appearing all on the screen, or you like to keep the participant on the sidelines in the sidebars, just to make a choice. Okay, so very simple. The other thing is, while the meeting is going on, you like to type something to the presenter. Presenter, I could not understand you this line. So in order to do that, you can click the chat button and then you can always type that whatever you feel like. Maybe you'll be asking questions, so once you have typed, see there you wrote something there. Okay, this is one thing that is very important here. While the presentation is going on, you don't want to disturb, you don't want to talk, but you like to write to the presenter about the questions, so you can do so from here. The other thing is, while the meeting is going on, you like to add the people, so you can add the people from here, either by direct mail or through invitations. Okay, even during the meeting. The other thing is, you have seen here there are something added here. This is to take the students' attendance. If you like to take an attendance of the students, you will okay, oh sorry, okay, so if you may like to have an attendance, see there, now you will see that students' attendance can be easily taken on the Excel sheet. Alright, you can take the attendance of the people who has participated in the meeting, because in the meeting from a distance you don't know how many people get in, how many people go out, so at a distance quite challenging to record all the people who were in the meeting at what time. So this can be very well recorded on the Excel sheet, and can be downloaded, right? That is possible. Now, some of the special features that may be useful, that are useful during this Google meeting. You can always use an extension, Google extension, like attendance extension, and some emoticons where you'd like to show thumbs up. Some of the extensions are there. However, the major features that I have explained is presenting, keeping your setting all ready, and putting on captions, arranging those people's layout where you want to put your participants, either on the sidebar or on the tiles. So these are some of the useful feature, and this is very useful for the teaching learning. I found it useful personally, so maybe this will be helpful to you all. Yeah, with this I would like to thank you